Okay, so I think I've found what is probably the highest point on this boat that I'm allowed to go on. Just been running around exploring. It's totally massive, this ship. Haven't really gone below decks yet too much to see what's down there, but I'm standing at about midship right now. Back over here is, I guess, the engine complex. These enormous jet-looking things over there. And in back of that there is another swimming pool area. There's like, I don't know, 3 or 4 swimming pools. There's hot tubs and jacuzzis and whatnot. There's a dance club back there, which I'm sure will be pretty hopping later. And back over here, just more pools, and there's food everywhere. And then we have downtown Vancouver right there, basically. Might be kind of washed out from the sun, it's directly shining, but the bay that we're sitting in is just absolutely gorgeous. Get past the giant radar thing and get a shot around Vancouver. There's mountains in the distance with snow on them still, middle of August. Actually, I'm going to come back here. I don't know if you can make that out, but there's like a whole bunch of just residential neighborhoods just sitting there, just kind of perched. Incredible views. It's got to be amazing to live here. And there we go. So I'm going to go explore some more and see what I can find.